This 2015 Chevrolet City Expressway cargo van is brought to you by TX Work Trucks. Nice. 108K original miles, brand new tires, one owner, fleet maintained. Dual hydraulic ladder racks, bulkhead netting, great tires, navigation, Bluetooth, backup camera, cold AC, hot heat, cargo area interior anti-theft window guards, cruise control, fresh oil change, new Texas state inspection, and we include a zero-deductible 90-day ASC drivetrain plus warranty. 5101E University Drive, Denton, Texas. Free delivery up to 200 miles with full price offer. Keywords: heating and air, HVAC, plumber, plumbing, electrician, mechanical services, contractor, surveyor, general contractor, Century, fleet, lawn and garden, landscape, painter, painting services. Visit us at txworktrucks.com.